Hello and welcome to a new episode of Englicast. Have you ever sat in front of a task but decided to do it tomorrow, then next week, and then found yourself rushing to finish it at the last minute? I do this all the time. This habit is called procrastination, and it is one of the biggest problems that stop us from reaching our goals. Today we will learn together how procrastination works in our minds, why we do it again and again, and most importantly, how we can stop it with simple and easy methods. Why do we procrastinate? Sometimes the reason is not laziness, but procrastination. Procrastination means delaying work because of bad feelings like fear or worry. We avoid tasks that make us feel stressed or anxious. Have you ever avoided doing something because it made you feel worried? Try to write a sentence using the word procrastination. I used to think I worked better under pressure, but I was wrong. This is called the productivity illusion. The productivity illusion means believing that working under pressure makes us better at our tasks. We think we work well when we wait until the last minute, but it usually makes things harder. Have you ever felt like you work better when you don't have much time? Try to use productivity illusion in a sentence. How can we stop procrastinating? I found that the best way is to start, even if it's just a small step. When you start, it becomes easier to keep going. This is called gaining momentum. Gaining momentum means motivating yourself by taking small steps. Try working on a task you put off for only 5 minutes and see how easy it is to keep going. One good trick to avoid procrastination is to set small goals and start working on them. This means breaking big tasks into small parts so you can keep moving forward. Breaking big tasks into small, simple goals makes it easier to do them. Now choose a task you delayed, break it into small parts, and start doing it. I realize that getting things done is not just about working hard, but also about focusing on the right task at the right time. Focusing means avoiding distractions and staying focused. What distracts you when you work? Try to write a sentence with the word focus. How do you motivate yourself to start? One good way is programming the mind. Programming the mind means thinking about the task in a way that makes it more interesting. You can change how you think about the task so it becomes more exciting. Think of a boring task. How can you think about it in a way that makes you excited? Write your idea in the comments. How do you beat lack of motivation? Sometimes we feel stuck because we are waiting for the perfect motivation. But this doesn't really happen. The best solution is to start first and motivation will come later. Perfect motivation is the wrong idea that we need to feel motivated to start. Have you ever waited to feel excited before starting something? Try using motivation in a sentence. Procrastination is not a part of you. It's just a habit you can break. Remember, the first step is the hardest, but once you start, it will be easier to keep going. Your challenge: choose a task you have been avoiding and start it now for just 5 minutes. Use the new words in sentences about your experience. Share with us in the comments. What is the biggest problem you have with procrastination, and how will you deal with it after this episode? If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. See you in the next episode of Englicast.